Hello, my name is Juan from Godwin Umo, and I'm the owner of the channel Fog. Fog is basically a channel that focuses on making aviation videos, mostly targeting vintage aviation that people have actually forgotten about. And I'm going to make an appeal to prove that my channel actually meets YouTube monetization guidelines and there are no reuse content. This is my channel URL, and if I click on it, it opens the channel Fog. The first thing I do is to come up with a video idea or video topic, and to do that I do research, checking forums on what works, and also using ChatGPT to come up with ideas. When I come up with my video ideas, I use ChatGPT to help me craft bespoke titles and also bespoke scripts. Every script is originally generated, and once that is done, I bring it to Google Docs. Every script on Google Docs is carefully checked for typos and errors. I know ChatGPT doesn't make typos, but carefully checked for errors to make sure that the information is correct. I fact check it 2-3 times and then bring it to Google AI Studios. Using Google AI Studios, I generate the voiceover. Now, this process might seem simple, but since we have limited time, let me keep it to time and respect your time. I edit every video on Adobe Premiere Pro. I add the zoom in effects to my videos, and then I also add other effects. If I come to my effects library, I have bespoke effects like the eye contrast effect to make videos look a little bit different. I also add some color effects to also transform the color. I also make some videos look vintage and things like that. And using the voiceover, I source footages from Wikicommons. If I make use of any footage that has copyrights to it, I do well to reach out to the owner of the footage on time, or if they've raised an alarm, which none have, I would reach out to them personally. I source all my footage from Wikicommons depending on the plane. I also made sure that I try to source my footages back then when I usually edit with videos. I usually source it from the company's websites, let's say Boeing, Airbus, and McDonnell Douglas. I generate thumbnail using Photoshop. Every thumbnail is bespoke, and once the video is made, I upload it and do not re-upload a particular video. As you can see, my channel uses content that is free of copyright and only uses it in places that is needed and is being transformed in a way that is original to it, from the picture effects to the voiceover in the background and the story being completely original. And for that reason, my channel meets all the guidelines of the YouTube Partner Program. Thank you.